Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel all about technology. Friends, in this particular video, we are going to discuss about accelerating your startup with Google Cloud. Friends, before we dive deeper into the topic, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of upcoming technology related informative videos. So let's go to the mobile screen and discuss in details today's topic. So friends, we are here on the mobile screen, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about why GCP is the best cloud platform for startups. 5 Google Cloud Platform Advantages. Why migrate to the Google Cloud services for startups? Learn the benefits and how to get access to the best G Suite cloud computing tools. Startups are incredibly active in adopting cloud technology. The reason is apparent. Small businesses cannot or do not want to invest in their in-house servers. They are too expensive and difficult to maintain. Instead, startups prefer using a ready-to-go cloud infrastructure owned by technological giants. We prepared a guide to Google Cloud for startups, its features and benefits. The most popular cloud computing providers are Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. All three have special programs for startups, initiatives, and discounts. However, Google Cloud stands out among the others. The company even launched a separate offer for startups and offer on the one of the best pricing tiers in the game. Let's take a look at what Google Cloud for Startups has to offer. Products available in Google Cloud platform. Google Cloud for app development offers more than 90 products, all of which can be broken down in seven main categories. So, what is Google Cloud for startups? Computing and storage. Google Cloud allows deploying code in Ruby or Node.js, Python, Java, Net, and Go. Its computing engine supports virtual machines on Linux and Windows. Database management. The data can be stored in MySQL and Big Table. Google supported NoSQL database. Additionally, Google offers a data store for free and a local SSD. You can store information for web apps, desktop software, and mobile apps. Operations. You will also find a set of tools for performance management and monitoring. Cloud logging. Google Cloud Console for startups system tracking and error detection. You can check audit logs, use a built-in debugger, monitor software services and active workloads. The system automatically creates reports on the entire development process and data consumption. Networking. Google offers services for sharing text and media content, VPN services, private cloud, and enterprise connectivity tools. You can also check the safety of all network connections and protect your software from DDoS attacks with Cloud Armor. API management. Google Cloud allows connecting, building, and managing API, deploying them directly on Google's servers. Additionally, you can set up monetization streams, get reports on APIs functionality and revenue, and detect performance issues. If you are working in finance or healthcare, you will also be able to use custom development services